With a large tank size and innovative features, it's in a league of its own. Introducing the LV600HH Hybrid Ultrasonic Humidifier, the perfect choice for any home. With the LV600HH, you can choose between two types of mist. Use cool mist to help keep your sinuses and skin hydrated, or use warm mist to humidify the air 25% faster and help kill bacteria in the water. All the humidifier's features can be controlled on the display panel or the convenient remote control. Set a timer to run your humidifier for 1 to 12 hours. That way, you can set and forget. With auto mode, the LV600HH uses an advanced sensor to track the surrounding humidity and automatically adjust the mist level. The LV600HH covers up to 753 square feet, making it powerful enough to humidify large rooms. If you want to feel refreshed, try aromatherapy. Use the humidifier's aroma box to fill your air with fragrance. Direct the mist toward you with the 360-degree mist nozzle. No matter how dry your air gets, LEVOIT's LV600HH is the perfect solution for a comfortable home.
Moisturize the dry air in your home or office in minutes with the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. This powerful and sleekly designed tabletop humidifier is packed with smart features, making it the ideal solution to improve the air quality in any room. Featuring a 1.5-liter tank delivering more than 150 milliliters of moisture per hour, this humidifier provides unparalleled relief from dry air and runs for up to 16 hours on a single tank. Fine-tune the exact amount of moisture you desire with a 360-degree mist nozzle, as well as high and low mist settings. For a soothing glow and maximum relaxation, turn on the optional nightlight. The humidifier couldn't be more safe and user-friendly, with automatic shutoff when the water level is low or the tank is removed. You'll sleep well knowing that the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is backed by Pure Enrichment's industry-leading 2-year warranty. The Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. Order yours today and experience a dramatic improvement in the air quality of your home or office.
I'm a mom, and I care about my family's health. My daughter often gets nosebleeds or a cough during the dry season. Without a humidifier, you're risking bloody noses, dry throats, even the flu. Vixene is the noiseless, powerful, easy-to-clean humidifier that helps me protect my family against the problems of the dry season. The 2-liter tank and multiple speed settings help me control the humidity in the house. And the powerful mist output ensures that the room is comfortable within minutes. Shh. Kids don't like noises when they're sleeping. Luckily, this product is silent. Many humidifiers are difficult to clean and refill, but the Vixene humidifier is different. The large tank mouth makes it easy to clean and disinfect, which helps me prevent bacteria growth and protect my family.
Some days, you don't feel like getting out of bed. Or that would be the case if your humidifier hadn't been running all night to ease your breathing. LEVOIT's 550 Hybrid Humidifier is the ultimate 2-in-1 device, able to switch between hot and cold mists at a touch. Feel healthy and vitalized in any temperature with its impressive 5.5-liter water tank. The 550 humidifier produces comforting mists for hours on end. If your humidifier has been running for a while, it may need to be refilled. When the water level's low, a red symbol will light up on the display and the auto shutoff feature will activate. The built-in handle makes refilling the tank simple and easy. Just make sure you unlock the water tank before lifting it. And never carry the whole humidifier by the water tank handle. The tank may drip a little, but that's normal. Once properly filled, the LCD display lets you choose the humidity level with one touch. 5 different mist levels help create the perfect atmosphere. Tapping the humidity button gives you auto mode, though you can also press and hold the button to set a specific relative humidity percentage. The humidity sensor on the cord reads the surrounding relative humidity. Add a few drops of essential oil to the aroma box to make your room smell fresh and inviting. When you're busy or ready to leave, set the timer for up to 12 hours. The warm mist feature works great for cold, dry days. Add heat to any room, even your yoga studio. When the room's all set, your body rested and your mind at peace, Lotus Pose will feel as relaxing as the mist around you.
The purpose of a humidifier is to take dry, stale air and recondition it into fresh, humidified air. Because of this, humidifiers are mostly used during the winter months when humidity levels are at their lowest. Humidifiers consist of several different components, but the most important component is water. Water is added to a reservoir by either a water bottle or another filling method, where it is then absorbed by the wicking filter. Once the wick is fully saturated, the fan pulls outside air into the humidifier using negative air pressure. As the air then passes through the wick, moisture is added and the newly recycled air is pushed back into the room environment. Over time, the amount of dry air in the room will decrease and you'll begin to notice the positive effects of humidification.
Here's how to use your LEVOIT Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. Connect the power adapter to the base and remove the nozzle and nozzle cap from the water tank. Flip over the water tank and fill it with cool distilled water. Remember not to use hot water and do not add essential oils to the humidifier. Plug in the adapter and turn the mist level dial to your preferred setting. You can rotate the nozzle to adjust the direction of the mist. If there is no water in the tank, the humidifier will not turn on and the power button will light up red. Refill the water tank to use your humidifier. If mist is low or doesn't come out, there may be too much water in the base. Remove the water tank and empty the base chamber. Fill the water tank and place it back on the base. Your ultrasonic cool mist humidifier is set up and ready to go. Enjoy!